Alright, and welcome to the Classical Guitar Playground. In this video we're going to learn how to sight read, an important skill for the classical guitar. I will be covering the basic notes on the first 3 strings, or 8 notes in total. But before we start, there are a couple of things that we need to be familiar with. The first of these is the notation staff. It has 5 lines and 4 spaces. The lines are numbered from the bottom to the top from 1 to 5. And the spaces are numbered from the bottom to top 1 to 4. Notes are placed either on a line or in a space and are named differently according to where they are placed. And finally, we have the length of the notes or note values. For the purpose of this video, we have the whole note that lasts for 4 quarter beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then there's the half note, which lasts for 2 quarter beats. 1, 2. Then we have the quarter note, which lasts for 1 quarter beat. 1. Then we have the 8th note, which lasts for half a quarter beat. 1 and. The last symbol are 2 8th notes connected together, and together they form 1 quarter beat. 1 and. 1 and. In the description below you will find a downloadable PDF file with the notes and exercises. I recommend downloading them and having them ready so you can absorb the information faster. Let's get started. Now, beginning on the open first string, we have the note E. It is placed in the 4th space in the notation staff. The second note we have is the note F. It is on the 5th line in the notation staff and on the 1st fret on the first string. The third note we have is G, and it's placed directly on top of the 5th line and is on the 3rd fret on the first string. And now the open second string, or the note B, is placed on the 3rd line in the notation staff. Then we have the note C placed in the 3rd space in the notation staff, 1st fret on 2nd string. Then we have the note D placed on the 4th line in the notation staff, and it's on the 3rd fret on 2nd string. And now the open 3rd string, or G, it's placed on the 2nd line on the notation staff. And then we have the note A placed in the 2nd space in the notation staff and is on the 2nd fret on the 3rd string. And now let's do some sight reading exercises. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, In my next video, I will be covering the basic notes on the 4th, 5th and the 6th string, so keep watching and keep practicing. Did you find this video valuable? Then I invite you to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.